What's cracking lacking, y'all? It's in the middle of the night, and you know, I've been working on these cars, getting it cracking. And my M3, last time we checked, the head gasket was messed up. I was getting low compression on cylinder 6 after I just did the head gasket. So what I did, I took the liberty all day. I've been taking the car apart. So since y'all seen me do it before, as far as the process of taking off the head gasket, I didn't film it. Like, none of the stuff I had to do. So right now we just bear down to the head. I got all the bolts out. Right now he's about to pull the head out. So at least I thought y'all can see that. At least see me pull the head out. You know? You feel me? Let's get it cracking. All right. So let's see. Something's holding me back. And there goes the cylinder head. Have to figure out what went wrong. But there it is, head back out. Alright. So back to the inspection. Everything looks fine, man. It's a brand new head gasket. I'm gonna have to look at the head, see if the head was warped, but I don't see nothing wrong here. So, you know, I'm just out here working on my M3. And last time when I put the head on, it was smoking, tripping, doing all types of stuff. So I got mad, y'all, and I started pulling the motor. Now, I'm sorry that I didn't go through the whole procedure with y'all, but whatever, it is what it is, man. You know, we all go through our emotions and get mad and just start doing stuff. So that's what I did. I started pulling the motor, got it ready to come out, motor mounts, everything off, drive shaft disconnected, everything, shift assembly disconnected, everything. So now y'all just about to watch it come out. Run it. Oh, I forgot about the power steering fluid. Alright, so 5 hours later I got the damn steering rack out. Damn. Literally not 5 hours later, but feels like it. Now, the motor should just come out like butter. Should. Yep. Just like that. Take that off. 13's gotta come off for the engine bracket down. Make sure everything is Gucci. Here she comes. Frame. There it is. S52 and ZF out. So now, put on the pallet and get it cracking. All right, so now I got the motor, you know what I'm saying? Lift it up, just drain the oil. Now what I'm about to do is I'm taking the pan off, but to get to the pan, I got to take off the power steering little thingamajiggy. So right now I'm about to put the tensioner on, take the bud off, take out the power steering, then I'm finished removing the all the bolts for the oil pan. So let's get it, dog.